Have you ever wondered whether a small Germany 2 euro coin dated 2020 and carrying the F mint mark could be worth more than its face value today? In this video, we are taking a close look at the Germany 2 euro 2020 F coin in very fine condition, exploring its design, history, mint mark, rarity, condition, collector interest, and realistic market value in US dollars. The first thing to understand is that the letter F is important because Germany uses 5 official mints, identified by the letters A, D, F, G, and J, and the F mint mark represents the Stuttgart mint. German euro coins can be identified by these mint marks, making the small letter on a coin an interesting detail for collectors. The 2020 Germany 2 euro belongs to the regular circulating euro coin series rather than being a special commemorative issue. The coin has a face value of just 2 euro, but collectors often examine ordinary circulation coins for interesting dates, mint marks, unusual varieties, and especially genuine mint errors. The obverse follows the common euro cent design, featuring a globe and the denomination, while the German national side features an oak leaf, one of the familiar symbols used on Germany's 1, 2, and 5 euro coins. The year 2020 and the German identification details help distinguish this particular issue from earlier and later examples. The F mint mark tells us that this coin was produced at Stuttgart, giving it an additional collecting identifier. Official German minting information published by the Deutsche Bundesbank records 2020 production of regular 2 euro coins across Germany's mint system, showing that these coins were part of normal euro circulation rather than being made exclusively as rare collector pieces. When evaluating a Germany 2 euro 2020 F in very fine condition, condition becomes one of the most important factors. A very fine coin has clearly circulated and normally shows noticeable signs of use, including light wear on the highest parts of the design, but the major lettering, denomination, date, oak leaf details, and other important features should remain clearly visible. Collectors generally look for coins with strong details, readable surfaces, and no major damage. Scratches, heavy cleaning, corrosion, dents, stains, or unusual discoloration can reduce desirability, while an attractive original surface can make the coin more appealing. It is also important to separate the idea of a collectible coin from the idea of a genuinely rare coin. A 2020 F example should not automatically be considered rare simply because it is from a particular mint or because it is several years old. Germany produced large quantities of circulating euro coins, so many ordinary examples remain available. The official Bundesbank information confirms that Germany's euro coins are produced at 5 mints and identified by their mint marks. This means the F mark is interesting and useful for identification, but by itself it does not prove that the coin is rare or highly valuable. So what could a Germany 2 euro 2020 F in very fine condition be worth today? For a normal circulated example without an unusual error or special variety, the realistic value is generally close to its face value, with any collector premium depending on demand, exact condition, originality, and the selling market. In US dollar terms, 2 euro converts to only a few cents, so an ordinary circulated coin should not be advertised as a high dollar rarity without strong evidence. If you see online listings claiming extremely high prices for a normal 2020 F 2 coin, remember that an asking price is not the same thing as a confirmed selling price. Genuine mint errors are a different situation. If a coin has a clearly authenticated striking error, unusual die variety, or exceptional preservation, its collector value can be higher than that of a normal circulated example. However, unusual damage that happened after the coin left the mint should not automatically be called a mint error. This is an important distinction for anyone researching coin values. The Bundesbank also notes that it does not provide collector valuations for coins, so market prices must be considered separately from official face values. Another interesting point is that Germany's regular euro coins are legal tender, meaning this 2 euro coin remains part of the euro currency system. The fact that the coin is from 2020 does not by itself make it an antique or extremely rare coin. Instead, collectors may be interested in completing date and mint collections, comparing the 5 German mint marks, or finding examples with especially attractive preservation. If you have a 2020 F coin, carefully check the date, mint mark, lettering, oak leaf design, and overall condition. Avoid cleaning the coin because aggressive cleaning can damage its original surface and potentially get less desirable to collectors. A simple comparison with authenticated examples can help you understand whether what you have is a normal circulation piece or something unusual. The most important lesson is that the word rare should be used carefully. The Germany 2 euro cent 2020 F is an interesting modern German euro coin, but a normal, very fine example should not automatically be presented as worth hundreds or thousands of dollars. Its value depends on actual collector demand and verified sales, not simply on a dramatic online listing. For most ordinary circulated pieces, the value is modest and usually close to face value, while exceptional mint errors or high-grade examples can attract more attention. So if you find a Germany 2 euro cent 2020 F in your change, don't throw it away simply because it is a small denomination. Take a closer look at the F mint mark, examine the details, and check whether the coin has anything genuinely unusual. Stuttgart mint mark makes it a recognizable part of Germany's 5 mint euro system, and for collectors who enjoy building complete date and mint sets, even a common modern coin can be an interesting addition. The official German data confirms that 2020 included regular 2 euro cent production, reinforcing the point that this is primarily a circulation issue rather than automatically a scarce rarity. In conclusion, the Germany 2 euro cent 2020 F in very fine con. Edition is a fascinating little coin for anyone interested in modern European currency and German mint marks. It's with reliable references and confirmed transactions before deciding that it is rare or valuable. Sometimes the real treasure in coin collecting is not a huge price tag, but discovering the history, minting system, and story behind a coin that has traveled through everyday life.